Welcome to Mind Ventures TV.
Welcome, young explorer. Begin your adventure as a humble peasant, answer quiz questions about animals and nature, and unlock amazing transformations. Each level brings new gear and a special title, from Wildlife Wanderer to Nature Explorer, and finally, Critter Conqueror.
As a peasant, answer 5 easy questions about nature. Then face the wise oak's riddle to become a wildlife wanderer. Are you ready for adventure? Let's begin.
Which animal is known for its long neck and gentle grazing in the meadow?
A. Giraffe. B. Kangaroo. That's right. Giraffes use their long necks to reach the tallest leaves. Imagine having a neck that long. 2. Which small creature is famous for its twitching nose and fluffy tail, often seen scurrying around gardens? A. Hedgehog. B. Rabbit. Hoppity hop, you got it! Rabbits love to nibble on veggies and bounce around happily. Which creature slowly crosses the path with its hard, protective shell? A. Snail. B. Frog. Slow and steady wins the race. Snails carry their homes wherever they go. 4. Which insect buzzes cheerfully and helps pollinate the meadow's flowers? A. Fly. B. Bee. Buzztastic! Bees are nature's little helpers, making honey and spreading pollen. What do birds use to soar high in the sky? A. Wings. B. Beak. Yes, birds spread their wings and fly high in the sky, just like little adventurers.
You've done well, explorer. But before you can become a wildlife wanderer, the wise old oak has one final challenge.
In our enchanted meadow, which gentle giant roams with grace and is known for its kind, wise nature? A. Elephant. B. Rhino. Absolutely. Elephants are wise, strong, and gentle, just like great leaders in our magical meadow. Well done! Your knowledge shines bright, and you've earned your first upgrade.
Now, as a wildlife wanderer, tackle 5 trickier questions about nature, then answer the tortoise's challenge to become a nature explorer.
Are you ready for adventure? Let's begin. Which amphibian, known for its cheerful croak, lives both in water and on land? A. Frog. B. Turtle. Ribbit, ribbit, that's right. Frogs love to hop between land and water, making music in the pond. Which bird dazzles with vibrant colors and can even mimic sounds? A. Eagle. B. Parrot. Squawk-tastic! Parrots are nature's little chatterboxes, and some can even say hello. Which insect creates intricate silky webs to catch its food? Spider, bee, worm. Creepy, crawly, and oh so clever. Spiders spin their webs like tiny architects to catch their next meal. Which small animal is famous for storing food in its cheek pouches for winter? A. Chipmunk, B. Mouse. You got it. Chipmunks are nature's little snack savers, stuffing their cheeks like tiny backpacks. Which giant of the ocean is known for being the largest animal on Earth? A. Giant squid, B. Blue whale. Well done. The blue whale is the biggest animal ever to live on Earth, bigger than any dinosaur.
Aha! The wise tortoise has arrived. But beware, he will only let you pass if you answer this final challenge.
What process do plants use to create their own food from sunlight? A. Photosynthesis, B. Germination. Brilliant! Plants are like tiny chefs, turning sunlight into energy to grow big and strong. Incredible! You are now a nature explorer. Your knowledge of nature is growing stronger. As a nature explorer, answer 5 challenging questions and defeat the majestic stag's riddle to claim your final title, Critter Conqueror. Are you ready for adventure? Let's begin. Which bird is renowned for its sharp vision and majestic flight high above the meadow? Sparrow, B. Eagle. Soaring high in the sky, eagles have incredible eyesight and can spot their prey from far, far away. Which reptile is famous for its ability to change colors to blend into its surroundings? Chameleon, B. Lizard. Wow! Chameleons are nature's little magicians, changing colors to hide or show how they feel. Which marine creature is celebrated for its playful nature and clever communication? Dolphin, B. Seal. Splashtastic! Dolphins love to jump, play, and even chat with each other using clicks and whistles. Which nocturnal animal is known for its silent flight and wise, twinkling eyes? The bat, B. Owl. Owls are silent hunters of the night, using their big eyes and sharp hearing to find food in the dark. What do we call the relationship where 2 different species help each other to thrive? A symbiosis, B. Predation. Teamwork makes the dream work. Some animals and plants work together to help each other survive.
You have done well, but the forest guardian, the majestic stag, has one final question.
What natural process recycles fallen leaves and organic matter into rich, nourishing soil? A. Decomposition. B. Photosynthesis. Nature's recycling team. Tiny decomposers, like worms and fungi, break down old leaves to create healthy soil. Astonishing! You have become the Critter Conqueror, guardian of the Mystical Meadow. The animals cheer, the trees bow, and the meadow celebrates your victory. Congratulations, mighty hero! You have journeyed from peasant to critter conqueror by mastering nature's wisdom. What was your favorite part of the adventure? Let us know in the comments. The journey doesn't end here. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your next adventure in Mind Ventures TV.